What's going on, everybody? It's Lewis of the Wnba Kicks channel, back again with another video for you guys on one of the more anticipated basketball sneakers that dropped this year, and it's coming from a WNBA superstar. That is the Sabrina Ionescu 2s that are in this box right here. And this box itself is actually pretty dope. I mean, look, they put the Sabrina S on there with her signature. You got Sabrina 2 written here on the back of the box. You got her name here on part of the lid as well. And the label reads Sabrina 2 Cave Purple White. This is a size 13.5. And actually, she's got a little signature there in the corner as well with the number 20. Man, I like the details of the box, you know, and then obviously the silver swoosh there, that's really nice. Let me go ahead and pull these out for you. And here we go with the Sabrina Ionescu 2s. And now, if you guys know about the ones were actually a pretty successful shoe. Not only were they worn by WNBA players, they were also worn by NBA players as well. And Nike gave you the opportunity to kind of put together your own kind of color blocking on these as part of the By You program that they had on there. But there's a few details on this sneaker we definitely got to get into. I mean, you can see the black here and the cave purple color blocking that's on the shoe already. At the top of the tongue, you do have that Sabrina S. Here in the swoosh, I'm gonna put a picture, but outlining the Nike swoosh are a bunch of little S's. And like I said, I'll put a picture here for you guys to be able to see that. The material itself is like a ballistic mesh, very lightweight. I mean, it's a very lightweight sneaker. Obviously, it's performance built, but I definitely feel like the color lends itself to some decent styling, in my opinion. Now, these here, they kind of look like zigzags, but these are actually connected S's that wrap around the back of the heel. You do have a swoosh on the inside of the heel too that's kind of inverted, you know what I mean? It's a nice little touch in there. Here in the heel area, there's something written right here in this area. I'll put it close, but I'll also put a picture. But what it does actually say is anywhere. Sorry that it couldn't focus there on my camera. Also here in the toe area, we kind of have, I'm not sure what exactly you kind of call that material there in the front, but they got that there kind of from the mesh. I guess it's kind of protection in a sense for the front of the toe so that, you know, it doesn't end up getting ripped or anything. Got black laces in there. The padding system for this shoe, I'm gonna find the picture to go ahead and post for you guys so you can see like the different layers of padding that come with the sneaker itself. It's actually pretty dope. We do got some tissue paper to go ahead and pull out. Now the insole foot pad itself, oh, actually, it is glued in there pretty tight. So I'll go ahead and just let you guys see here that it looks like it's green on the inside, and you do have the Sabrina S there. Taking a look around the rest of the midsole here, you do have like purplish, you know, different shades of purple there and stuff. And then the other thing too is look at the swoosh. The swoosh on the lateral and medial side, both of them have kind of like that, I'm not sure what the material is, but it's kind of like that, you know, mermaid kind of rainbowish looking effect there. And then here's the outsole. We do have some herringbone in there and some other kind of traction parts with a nice Nike swoosh here on the bottom as well. Taking a look at the right shoe, I did forget to mention there is her signature there, and I believe it is on, it's actually on both of them. They put the signature there on the midsole as well, which I think is a really nice touch here. And man, these look really, really nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on feet and kind of talk about the comfort of them, and then we'll close out the video. All right, so have them here on feet, and I can tell you this, they feel really comfortable. First thing I'll tell you is that they're narrow in the heel and then they widen out to the toe. But again, I'm very happy that I went with my true to size 12, because I feel that if I went down half a size, it'd be too tight. 12 is perfect. If you have a wide foot, maybe you should go up half a size if you can. The comfort is there, as I got the Zoom Air comfort in here, and man, these feel great to want to cut in. I mean, as you walk, you can feel the grip, and the cushioning is really nice in here. I think that Nike did a really nice job with the shoe. Styling is really good too. I mean, I know some guys out there, maybe they're not fans of purple or all that, but these here, man, I really like the way they came out. So yeah, definitely nice. I think these are actually a really nice sneaker. I mean, obviously they're performance inspired, but I believe the color blocking that they have on here lends itself to some decent styling if you wear them casually. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below of the Sabrina Ionescu 2s. I mean, this pair here in particular came from Dick's Sporting Goods. There were only about maybe 5,000 or 6,000 pairs, I believe, there on the Nike app, and most of the sizes sold out, but there's still a bunch of sizes left on there, and they're popping up at a couple different places. Now, the retail on these is $135, and you know, for a Kobe-esque style sneaker here with, I believe, some really decent performance cues, I think you can't go wrong getting these to wear casually or obviously play basketball in. Please smash that like button for me though, and if you are new to my channel, thank you for tapping in. Hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.